What is up guys, Stanley this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a card template in card tutorial. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in card, or you can just simply type in card.co, and after that you will be redirected to the official website of card. Now, after arriving to the card website, where if you are new, just simply click on sign up or sign up with your email, password, and other credentials to create your new card account. But if you already have an account on card, simply click on view my dashboard and then you will be redirected to your dashboard of my sites on card. So after creating your dashboard by saving the draft files or publishing some websites, you will see the option of make a copy of the site here at the bottom of every site that you have published or either kept as a draft. When you come to your dashboard, here is the site as you can see, and under this site you can see multiple options, and from here you can see this icon of make a copy of the site. Click on it once and then it will show you a confirmation box of are you sure. Click on copy and then it will generate a copy of your card template. So this is how you can create a copy of a card template. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.